channel. Today we're going to do a mini haul of ColourPop. I got the package right here and I haven't opened it yet. So if you want to see what's in here, stay tuned. Okay, so this is the first thing I've ever bought from ColourPop. So I'm not familiar with their products. I've heard a lot about them, but I finally ordered some. So let's see what's inside of this packaging. This is so cute. You can see it. This is the lip palette from Bretman Rock. Let me try to open it. So you guys can see. It has the names of the shadows on the back. It's like a mini eyeshadow palette. The colors look super cute online, so I got it. Ooh, that's nice. It's like, oh, these are pretty. I also got the wet palette. It's like super cute. Let me see. Oh, that's bright. I don't know. You can see it, but it's silver glitter. It's really pretty. And it also has the names on the back. Oh, this is nice. I just want to touch them, but I'm not going to touch this. I'm just going to save this for later. Okay, so, oh, this is what I really been waiting for. I've really been waiting for these. I want to see what these are, because I've never heard of jelly eyeshadows, okay? Never. Okay, so this is what it, oh, let me not open all the way so you guys can see. And so it says ColourPop, and then it says Short Circuit is this color. Okay, it says a little thing that says keep me. So I'm guessing this is for, so I guess so to keep it inside. Ooh, okay. So this is what it looks like. That's the color. I don't know if you can, if it's picking up or you can see, but this is the color Short Circuit. So I'm gonna put this back in here, and then I'm gonna put the top back on it. I'm gonna do some swatches of these. These look super nice. And then this one is another Jelly Much eyeshadow. And no, it doesn't have the back thing like the other one does, so you can see the name. So let me open it. Wide Awake. It didn't take that long for it to come. I guess because it's not shipping from too far away. Oh, I don't know if you can see this, but it is like a super, super pigmented gold. I'm going to do some swatches on this so you guys can see. So this is Wide Awake. And oh my goodness. Oh, that is nice. Okay, so look, we're gonna do I'm gonna do one from this one. It feels weird. It's like jiggly. That's funny. So jelly, jiggly, makes sense. Okay, and this is more of a bronze color, I believe. It looked like a more bronze color. Ooh, that's pretty. They are cute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try these on with a brush because it's kind of messy. As you can see, like, it's like jelly, so it's kind of messy for whatever reason, but it looks very, and this is Wide Awake. So we're gonna try these with a brush. I'm just gonna use a flat brush just to try it and see how it applies. Okay, so let me see. I'm just gonna, ooh. They're very high pigmented. Oh wow. I touched it. Look. That means it's gonna stay and it's not gonna have no fallout once it dry. Hacks. Okay, ColourPop. Now let's try some stuff from Sephora. I might do a haul on that. Okay, so my thoughts on the Bretman Rock Lit and Wet palette. Cute. I wonder if you can blend them. But these were a good buy. I think I had got these for $6 on the website, so it was like super inexpensive. And I am so happy. It was just so weird because I was like, jelly eyeshadow? Really? Really? But yeah, it was amazing. But yeah, until next time, have a good one. Stay blessed.
If you made it this far, you might as well go ahead, get relaxed, and watch another video.